All right, so I just got this rolling rack. This is the R3 Plus rolling rack by VIPEK. And the reason I got this rack is because I needed a little bit extra storage for our clothing. And it has 2 shelves, so I can put boxes on the bottom 2 shelves if I need. And I think it also comes with hooks on both sides. So I'm gonna get this put together and I'll give you my thoughts. So towards the end of this video, I'll be showing you just how easy this rack is to put together, but first, let me tell you why I've been loving it. This rolling rack has been a game changer when it comes to home storage. It's designed with adjustable shelves so you can customize the space to fit everything from bulky sweaters to shoes and bags. And it also comes with silent locking wheels that glide smoothly across the floor, which makes moving it around effortless, even when it's fully loaded. I also really like the sleek black design because it fits in just about any room while still looking modern and minimal. So whether you need a portable closet, extra storage space, or just a heavy-duty rack to keep things organized, this one checks all the boxes. Stick around to the end to see how quick and simple it is to assemble. Okay, so here you can see everything is labeled really nice. You got your upper poles, your lower poles. Everything is labeled 2 pieces. Got your wheels, your instructions, extra parts, a mounting kit in case you need to mount it to your wall, the hooks that are going to go on the side. These are the pieces that are going to make these stay on your poles. And then, of course, the 3 racks. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your plastic clips on your lower poles. Make sure that the spot where you're going to screw in the screws is going to be towards the bottom, and that where you're going to screw in the other pole is towards the top. So a wider hole at the top here. These pieces, you're going to see it has a top arrow pointing right there, and then the little groove going in there. That little groove is just going to slide right in here. You can kind of hear it click in there, and then just attach this other side as well. If there's little gaps in here, that is totally okay because the racks are going to slide right over here so they fit nice and snug. So go ahead and do that for all of your poles. And then these are just going to slide right on your rack. Make sure the top is facing upwards. I'm going to slide these on. And these are also labeled with the brand right there, so you can make sure that that is pointing towards the top. And then after that, you're going to simply screw on your wheels. Now, the wheels do have brakes on them, so you probably want your brakes towards the back. So just make sure that you put your brakes on the same side rather than one in the front and one in the back. This rack is fairly easy to assemble, and you can see that there is going to be a pattern. You're going to put on the plastic clips where you want your shelf, slide on the shelves, and then of course attach your poles where needed, and then more plastic clips where you want the other shelves and hooks. So next you're gonna put your next shelf wherever you want it to be on your height. So for me, I wanted to be able to fit my 12.5-inch boxes on the bottom shelf here. So I adjusted my clips to fit just over those boxes so I could slide them in easily. And then the shelf on top of it will be able to hold my shoes and other accessories. After that, you're gonna put on your upper poles. When you screw them on, just make sure that these are pretty nice and straight going up and down. Otherwise, you might have a little issues. Overall, this is super easy to put together. Really just follow the directions. Next, you're gonna put your hooks on both sides. And then of course, these hooks are adjustable so you can put them wherever you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and do them right here. Remember to snap on your plastic clips. Those will hold the hooks in place. Okay, and you're gonna slide your top rack on. Keep it as horizontal as possible. Perfect. And I almost forgot the last piece to be able to hang your clothes. And this rod comes with 2 hooks you'll place on both sides and then screw on the bolts. Screw on the other side. Alrighty, it's time to get some clothes on here. What's super nice is this rack also comes in different sizes based on your spacing needs. And it comes in the options of black, gold, or white. Not only does this clothing rack act as a multifunctional storage solution, but it's sturdy and rust-proof. So if you're looking for a rack that will fit all your needs, this one is worth checking out.